Hi everyone, bonjour et bienvenue, I'm back passionate, welcome back. Today I'm making this quick video because I'm happy. Okay, a few days ago I received something and I didn't know exactly if I show you or not. Maybe you're going to think that I'm crazy, but I could not resist picking this item because when I saw it, it was first at love sight, I can tell, and the price was really insane. So I have to have it. I'm weak. I did not resist. So let's go and I show you what I got in this box. As you can tell, there's something. Okay, I've got tissues and okay. I got something from the brand Fossil, which is an American brand, if I am correct. And I got this gorgeous violet bag. I hope the light is correct. I'm not filming in my studio, but I think the light was good, and I think also it was nice to change a little bit. So I got this bag, which is called the Gigi bag, and this one is the crossbody version. So I will unpack it, and during this I'm going to explain you. I only know the brand Fossil for all the jewelry, but I was not really into the bags. I know they have an it bag, which is called the Sydney. I will include a picture of it. The Sydney, which is a big success for the company. I think the Sydney cute, really. But when I went on the internet site and I saw this one, and I have to say it was during their spring sales, and the bag cost, okay, sorry for the noise. Okay, this bag retail for 129 euro, and it was in outlet now for 64 euro, and with the spring sale they had a 30% sale. So in fact the bag was, I paid for the bag 51 euro and 20 cents. Only this price for a leather bag. So, and in violet color, I said yes. I said yes. I do not think a lot about it, and I directly order it. And yes, it's really gorgeous. The color is insane. You know, I am a big lover of lilac, violet, and I will do a video about my collection. But oh my god, so cute. The color, this is really a nice violet shade, really. Oh, and it smells divine. It really smells leather. So this bag got a long strap, 66 centimeters, so you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder. It is also adjustable, as you can see. And the closure of the bag, whoa, there's a bunch of paper. And the closure of the back is with drawstring. To be honest, I do not have many bucket bags, so I'm really happy. So here you get the tag, and yes, the price, as you can see. So in euro, as I told you, 129, in pound, 199 pound. And so the bag is like this. There's 3 card slots on one side and a slip pocket, a tiny, yes, she's quite tiny, a tiny slip pocket, but that's okay. And here, so the paper, the care booklet, and this is Yes, care booklet and identification card. So yes, that's nice. So a lot of space, and yes, you close it with a drawstring. Oh yes, and you got the name here, Fossil. Oh yeah, I love it. Yes, it's a cute bag. I know I got many cute little bag, and but yes, with this price I could not resist. And yes, violet bag, guys, a violet bag in leather. I'm really happy. So I will make some mod shot and include them in this video, so you can see exactly how it goes on my body. And yes, but oh, I could not resist. I could not resist. It's really cute. Look at this. It's really cute. And you can also wear it like this. So yes. Okay, thanks for watching this tiny video. If you like this, please give a thumbs up. And if you have comments, do not hesitate. Please share with me if you got Fossil bags. This is my very first one. And if you have recommendation, if you have Fossil bag and you recommend me one model, please do not hesitate. Share your experience if you are satisfied with this brand or not. We are here to discuss, and stay tuned for more videos. And again, thanks for your support and have a great day. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Je vous souhaite une agréable journée et je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye guys!